Welcome to Learn German with Potato. Today we will learn about personal pronouns, or in German, die Personalpronomen. But what are personal pronouns? They can replace names, persons, or things. For example, Marie ist müde. Sie ist müde. Mary is tired. She is tired. Now let's look at all the pronouns one by one. First up, we have our little potato here saying, Ich bin Kali. I am Carly. If you talk about yourself, you use ich. Now Potato is talking to you. Du lernst Deutsch. You are learning German. If you talk to another person one by one, you use du. Next up, we have male, female, and neutral. Germany does have 3 articles, which means every object in German is either male, female, or neutral. You will learn about it a little bit later on. But if something or someone is male, you use er. Er ist 20 Jahre alt. He is 20 years old. If someone or something is female, you use sie. Sie mag Hunde. She likes dogs. And if something is neutral, you use es. Es ist alt. It is old. So far, we only talked about the singular pronouns, which means ich, du, er, sie, es are all only one person related. But you can also talk about groups of people, right? You will learn them now. Wir lernen Deutsch. We are learning German. You use wir if you talk about a group of people including yourself. Next up we have ihr. Ihr seid schlau. You are intelligent. You use this one when you talk to a group of people. And lastly, we have sie. Sie sind nett. They are nice. You use this one when you talk about a group of people. So let's repeat. Repeat after me. Ich. Du. Er. Sie. Es. Wir. Ihr. Sie. Time to practice. Use the right pronoun. Das ist Peter. Er ist 20 Jahre alt. Peter und ich sind Freunde. Wir sind Freunde. Wer bist du? Ich bin Lisa. Das ist Anna. Sie mag Hunde. How can you say it? Es. How can you say they? Sie. How can you say you in plural? Ihr. Well done, everybody. That's it for today. See you in the next video.